Chapter 5. Plants and Animals in Water. Habitat is the place where a particular type of animal or plant is usually found. Organisms are categorized according to their habitat. Organisms such as trees, ferns, elephants, camels, and humans live on land. They are called terrestrial organisms. Water hyacinth, fishes, and prawns live in water. They are called aquatic organisms. Monkeys and squirrels live in trees or its branches. They are called arboreal organisms. Some birds, bats, and some insects that spend a lot of their time flying in the air are called aerial organisms. In this lesson, we take a look at some aquatic organisms. Aquatic plants. Plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. There are three main types of aquatic plants. 1. Free-floating aquatic plants. Some aquatic plants like Wolffia, Pistia, and water hyacinth are found floating in ponds and lakes. These plants have spongy stems with a large number of air spaces. This kind of stem helps the plants to float on the surface of water. These plants remain in contact with water and air but are not attached to the soil. 2. Rooted aquatic plants with floating leaves. The roofs of aquatic plants like water lily and lotus are fixed to the soil, but their leaves float on the water. These plants have long stalks that help to keep their leaves floating on water. Leaves of these plants also have oily surfaces. These oily surfaces make the leaves waterproof. 3. Submerged aquatic plants. Certain plants such as Hydrilla and Vallisneria remain submerged in water. Such plants have thin, small and ribbon-shaped leaves. These leaves allow water to pass through them with least resistance. Weeds. Unwanted plants growing in an area are called weeds. They grow and reproduce rapidly in great numbers. Water hyacinth is an aquatic weed. Its dense growth blocks waterways for navigation. Every year, a large amount of money is spent on weed control, that is, removal of weeds. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Let us take a look at some aquatic animals. 1. Fishes. Fishes have a streamlined body that allows them to swim in water with least resistance. They have gills to breathe. Gills are capable of taking oxygen from water. They have fins that help them to swim. 2. Frogs and toads. They can live on land and in water. Their moist skin helps them to breathe when they are in water. Their lungs help them to breathe when they are on land. Their webbed feet help them to swim in water. 3. Whales and dolphins. They are aquatic mammals. They have a streamlined body like fish. But they do not have gills.
They breathe through lungs.
So, they come up to the surface of the water to breathe. 4. Turtles and crabs. They have paddle-like flippers. These flippers help them to push the water back while swimming. Man, a threat to aquatic life. Humans are mainly responsible for making rivers and seas dirty. The process of making water dirty is called water pollution. It is a big threat to the existence of aquatic plants and animals. Water pollution is caused when sewage, dirty water is thrown into rivers and seas. Harmful wastes from factories are thrown into rivers and seas. There is leakage of oil or other toxic waste into the sea. We must try hard to stop water pollution. In this way, we save our aquatic life.